Hi everybody, this is Tom Atienza from Kobus Services, and this week I am back in the United States. I'm back in Indiana and I'll be working with the guys from ECI. So as usual, I will be spending this week training the crews to make sure that they are fully conversant with how the Kobus Pipe Puller 400 works. We're going to be in the city of Kokomo, which is about just under 2 hours north of Indianapolis, and we're going to be doing some lead pipe replacement over there. But this company is getting ready for next year because there is a lot of work to be done. Only the city of Kokomo, I believe, is going to tender about 600 services to be pulled. But then you got Winchester, where it'd be another 600, Richmond, pretty much the same. And if you go a bit further up north, you find the city of Gary, where they've got about 26,000 lead replacement to do. So there is a lot of work. There's potential to have a lot of pipe pullers up here for many contractors without tripping on each other. So if you haven't got yours, you need to get in touch. As usual, I will be posting some videos of our progress this week, but if you want to be up to speed with what we do, subscribe on our YouTube channel for the latest news, like us on Facebook, or have a look on our webpage, which is www.kobuspipepuller.com. If you've got any questions, maybe drop me an email, which is tom@kobusservices.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.